So let's start with the ninth example. And what is said here? A block of mass m slide down a smooth vertical circular track during the motion. So as the block is sliding down a smooth circular track, so obviously the forces are acting on the block at all position. The vertical force weight mg is acting in the downward direction. The normal reaction from the track is also acting here, whose resolved part can be in horizontal direction. So here the radial force is also present, the vertical forces is present, unbalanced horizontal force is present, unbalanced radial force is present. So in any way this cannot be in equilibrium in any direction. That's why the answer to this question is none of this. By saying vertical equilibrium means total force acting in vertical direction is 0, total force acting in the horizontal direction is 0, total force acting along radial direction is 0. That these are the meanings of vertical equilibrium, horizontal equilibrium, radial equilibrium. But when a block is sliding down a surface, in all these direction external forces are acting on it, which are unbalanced forces. Hence answer to this question is D. The block is not in equilibrium in any sense. Thank you.